Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melina and I'm a 33-year-old cash budgeter here on YouTube and over on Instagram. In today's video, we are going to be doing our Freebie Fridays, and so I've got my binder here that houses it all. So let's flip it back here and pull out my freebies. And we've got these two because we included some new ones, so that is exciting. I do have 6 of them there. Okay, so we'll get these all spread out. So how are you guys doing? How was your entire week? Like, oh my gosh, I just feel like Friday, I'm always counting down to Friday, and I'm sure a lot of people are, but sometimes you just need that freaking break, you know what I mean? Especially if you're off on the weekends, you know what I'm talking about. So we've got our challenges here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my dice. We are working with $60 today, so this comes from tip money. I wanted to give it a purpose instead of just throwing it in my bag and going and mindlessly buying, you know, Chick-fil-A or a treat over here or a treat over there. Like, I want it to have a purpose. So let's go ahead and get started. So our first one's going to be number 1, and I do 2 bills per each savings challenge. But yeah, how's everybody doing? Cannot believe that the first month is already gone. Like, are we joking? And then again, it will be Christmas before. Gosh, these bills were so gross. It will be Christmas before we know it. So I'm always telling everybody, like, go ahead and save. It is never too early to save for the holidays. Even if you plan on really not like spending a lot, like just knowing that you've got the funds to do whatever the heck you want to do whenever it comes up, why not? So number 4 is taking the money today. And you're going to like, look at these. Like, why haven't they been sent back? Oh my gosh, did I put 2? Yes, I did. I'm over here complaining. Oh, there we go. So anyways, I have really thoroughly enjoyed doing these savings challenge like things with the Freebie Friday and the mini Mondays, guys. They are just so fun. I love rolling the dice. I'm not having to think about where my money's going. I just know that I'm keeping it all, really. So that is what I love about it so much. So we've got number, gosh, 4, really? Okay, we're probably gonna finish that one today. There we go again. I should just stop talking. Nope, it's still 4. Oh my gosh. Does that ever happen to you guys that do these? Like, just one gets a ton of the money. Okay, so we're done rolling, and then we will just stack these up and see if we completed any. Okay. So our first one is my freebie that I have been throwing in all year long, the past month. Okay, and it only needs $2, guys. So 1 and 2, and then we'll have a little bit left over to see if we can complete any others, or maybe even do a whole nother roll. So we will save, I guess I didn't write the final amount. That's okay. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And that sounds about right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Was I supposed to have this in here? Maybe I like miscalculated. We're gonna go with it because that would make it 22. I could rewind right now and go through all of that, but it's okay. It's already here. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And that is how much this tracker will save. So I don't know why I thought I had extra. My brain sometimes is not braining. You guys know this. So I need to grab my markers real quick. And we officially get to finish this challenge 1 month into the year. That is so exciting. And it's just a mini savings, you know, like we all get change whenever we're using cash, and you could just like put it aside and save it for your savings challenges. So highly recommend doing that. I am going to go ahead and put my completion date on the back here. So today is technically, I guess we're not in February yet, guys. I'm pre-filming this. That's okay. But today is the 31st, and I mean, tomorrow's February. And so I'm not going to quite include, I don't know, maybe I do, because I need to do a reallocation video. So it technically is still January. Sorry guys for confusing you. I'm confusing myself, okay? I do this daily. But Gold Digger, let's do this. This was a freebie from Budget with Maddie, and I have not scratched anything, but we have here, let me pull up 5, all folded up and everything. Okay, ew. This is why I always wash my hands after messing with this cash. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. $12 is what we have. And then we need to scratch this off. My camera always moves whenever I do this, so I might just kind of like speed it up so you don't have to sit through that. So here we go. Okay, so there was a lot of movement there. Sorry, guys. But we need 2 and 6, so that is $8. And I already forgot what I said. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, that's right. So 5, 6, 7, and 8 is what we need to complete this. We'll just put the cash off to the side, which means for Gold Digger, we saved a total of 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. $20 for Gold Digger. That is so good. This little scratchy stuff is always everywhere. Okay, I'm going to do pink because we love pink. So 1, 31, 25. And this was $20. Because we will go through and add this into our completed savings challenge dashboard at the end. So we've completed 2 right off the bat. Okay, this is so exciting. So for this mini challenge, this one was from Savings with Grace. My cash trays are from her. She is on Etsy and here on Instagram. So we've got 5, 6, 7, $8, and she does have an 8 right there. So this makes it easy peasy. And I'm not sure that I used the Sharpie. I might have used my other little markers, but that's okay. So we've got this in here. And so far we've saved 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18 out of 31 that this one will save us. Okay. Then we have this cute one from Oh Mama Budgets. Oh my gosh, I freaking love the checker so much. So let's see what we've got going on here. This one always sticks to my envelopes too. Oh, and it left a ton of ink. That's fun. Okay. So let's see. This one will save us $70 total, but we were able to put in today 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, that's fun. Hold on. I should always check and I always forget. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Holy moly. Okay, $22. So what can we do here? We've got a 7. I'm going to need my calculator because I know we're going to have to utilize that 7. So 7 plus 10 plus 5, that's the 22. Perfectly. I say perfectly. Perfect. Goodness. Okay, so we did this 7, this 5, and this 10. Okay, so we've got 10, 15, 30. $30 left to complete this one. Okay. And so let's go ahead and give it a big count real quick. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. So, yep, right on the money. We've got 40 here and 30 more to go. Okay. So then this next one, we'll just move her out of the way. Oh, we've got 2 here. They just are new and I haven't stuffed them yet. So this one, it was an October mini from Angie over Angie's Finance. And this one will save $20. So we've got, we're already halfway there, $5, $10, $11, $12. So let's do purple because that's spooky. So I'm just gonna do 1, 2, how much did I say? 5, 10, 11, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. This one is so cute. And I think what I really want to do with some of these, like if they are geared towards a different holiday, I am going to throw it into that holiday envelope. I think that would make it easy for some of the reallocation videos that I do. So this one is Thanks a Lotl from Rachel Nori. This is so freaking cute. Each one's $1. We have 2. So I'm going to go ahead and do pink on the axolotls. They're so cute. I think that's what they're called. So I do little hearts, 1 and 2. It's so easy to mark things with hearts. I am just obsessed with them. Okay. So we have these 4 challenges that did not get completed, and we had a little bit of extra. So $1, $2, $3, and $4. I cannot complete this one. There's too much there. $4, I don't really have like a solid to do here, and I kind of want to make this super easy. So between these two, they're both $1 each, and I just figure why not split them. So let's just do that. Okay, so 1 and 2. And then over here we were using pink. My dogs are going crazy, so it's what it is. Okay, 1 and 2. And then we don't have to do the whole roll thing. Like when it's that simple, just like $4 that we can move around, why not just go ahead and do that? This cash, I'm just telling you guys, it feels disgusting too. Like I don't know what happened. They even gave it to me like binded in something, and I was like, come on, we can do better. Send that cash back, okay? So we completed 2 today, which means we do need to come up with 2 more challenges. So let me grab those real quick. Okay, so the 2 that I'm going to be bringing into my Freebie Friday is this mystery scratch and save from Cooper over at Purely Budgets. He threw this into my last order, so it's a freebie. We're going to do that. Also, this Jolly AF comes from Imzo Budgets. Her name is Angela, so I'm going to include this. And then, like I said earlier about like holiday savings, I might just go ahead and throw this into Christmas or even Christmas Eve because I save for both of those. So we're going to throw this one in here. I don't know how much this mystery scratch and save is, but it is low denomination, so maybe it's 10, maybe it's 20. This Jolly AF one, I'm going to make, let's see how many icons are here. So 4, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20, 24, 28. So I'm just going to go ahead and make them each $1. That would make it easy for me. So we're going to just do $1. And our total savings will be that $28. Okay. So leave that there. And then we will have to add these 2 to the count. So let me grab my binder here. Get this all situated. Okay, so this is how I do it. So we completed my hot mess right here. This one saved $22. So I'm gonna go ahead and write 22 since we completed it. Then we also completed the gold digger, which is right here, and we said that was $20. With the scratchers, I just don't know how much they are, so I can't even add them down here below, but that's okay. I'm not worried about it. Both of these I already marked when they were finished, so I will set that off to the side. And then this cash I'm going to be throwing into my cloth and paper bag that you guys have seen in my mini Mondays, so we'll do that here in a second. Okay, and then we're adding new ones. So let me just double check. I don't know that I even added the Thanks a Lotl or the October mini. I think we have this Oh Mama Budgets on here. Let me just double check. Yeah, Oh Mama, the Grace mini, flowers. Yeah, I don't think we've done these yet because these are the only 2 from Freebie Fridays. That's a mini Monday. These are mini Mondays. Okay, so I did not, Saints with Grace and this one, that's 2. Okay, so these 2 are included, but these 4 I have not written out. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. So we'll do a lotto. And this one is 21. October. And this one is 20. Okay. And then we have Jolly AF. This one will save 28. And then the mystery scratch. Should I put like purely mystery? That's what I'm gonna do. So that I know exactly what they are whenever I go to write these in. Okay, and then we don't, ooh, that smudged. Perfect example. Okay, so that is done there. And we're just gonna put these, I'm gonna kind of mix them up again because why not? Okay. And then throw these back in the binder. So that was fun. I feel like I've been consistently completing about 2 of these each week. It just depends, honestly, but that's why you save your dollars. Anytime somebody gives you $3, put it into like, I'm saving that for a mini Monday or a freebie Friday. Like, just do it because it adds up. I obviously get tipped in my everyday profession, but definitely worth doing. So let's throw these into my savings challenge archive. Okay, that's what we're gonna call it. And these are all of the savings challenges that I've completed so far in 2025. Next, we have to put this cash away. So I have been putting all my cash together from mini Mondays and freebie Fridays together. I prefer to do that. I'm going to reallocate it later. They're both really fun to do. So, and I don't really have any reason to differentiate them right now. So this is insane. The $1 bills, I don't know how you guys do it. It's so crazy. Okay, so this is how much I've saved between mini Mondays and freebie Fridays all month long of January. You guys know those savings challenges that I finished earlier. I didn't realize that we still have like one more day till February, so that's okay. But it's all here, and now at some point this week, I need to do a reallocation video of where I'm putting this money, whether it be into you know, long-term sinking funds or short-term sinking funds, or if we're just gonna save it for the Europe trip because that is coming up so quick in June. Honestly, a little bit of transparency, it is driving me a little crazy where we're at in our planning of that. I don't know what to do, but it's gonna be fun. It's definitely happening no matter what. But yeah, just a little stressed out about it right now, just full transparency. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click the button to the right side of your screen here. It'll automatically subscribe you to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next one. Bye.